What's up, Flawless Britny? It's your girl YouTube back with another video, and today I'm going to be using this Wiggins hair in their body wave texture. This is their black to dark blue ombre hair, and the closure is 16 inches and the 3 bundles are 22 inches each. Okay, so first I'm going to start by taking literally 2 regular shopping bags and just put them onto my head because I don't want the glue to seep through the wig cap. Then I'm going to place the wig cap on my head, making sure that it's aligned correctly. Now I'm cutting off the excess plastic and then going in with some holding spray, but you can also use spritz if you have some. I'm just going to spray that all over the wig cap just to make it like sticky-ish, kind of tacky or whatever, because that makes the tracks hold better. So I'm just putting the glue around the edges, not the edges, the outer part of the closure. Pressing it down gently but firmly at the same time onto my wig cap. Next, I'm going in with my blow dryer and I'm just blow drying that to make sure that it's secure, because if you don't, it's basically kind of going to move around and slip off and you're going to have to glue it back on again. So it's just better if you use some heat because it makes the glue dry faster and better. Now I'm starting in the back of my head and I'm actually going to lay the tracks in a U shape from ear to ear, starting from ear to ear, and then just working my way up until I eventually get to the lace closure. And that's just that. The rest is pretty much self-explanatory, but it's pretty much me doing the same thing, except for in between I'm going to be blow drying the glue, just to make sure it dries all the way.
you plug my lights back up?
Now you want to take off your wig and reveal your set it off braids. And then you're just going to go ahead and pull that plastic right out. Now I'm taking some airbrush spray and spraying it onto my lace closure so I don't have to bleach the knots. This looks 100% more natural in my opinion and way faster and easier. You can do this literally in the same day that you make your wig versus having to bleach the knots. It's way more convenient, you guys. Okay, so now you're going to want to find your part, pin it down with some clips or bobby pins, and then blow dry it to help set it and stay in place. I mean, you could always go with a hot comb or flat irons, but I just prefer this because it's way faster. You don't have to section it off. You just, literally go in and blow dry it. Now I'm taking a silk serum and just applying that to the hair, mostly on the top though. And then I'm going to go in and blow the hair out so it won't have so many waves in it. I mean, this step is optional. If you like the waves, you keep the waves. This is just what I'm doing. Now I'm adding some layers, and this step is optional, but I am using a razor comb. I did go off camera and do pin curls on the hair just because I wanted to get some big loose waves, you know, a nice pretty wave in the hair that, you know, it's not too tight or whatever. But anyway, the reason why I didn't film that part is because I already have a tutorial doing that on my channel. I really don't like doing the same stuff over and over, but I will, you know, sometimes, but whatever. Now I'm just going to go in and comb the curls out with a wide tooth comb, and that's pretty much all I did to this hair, you guys, literally. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You already know Domination. I love you guys so freaking much, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to shop Wiggins hair. The links will be in my description box, as well as the products down below.